In this section, we are going to talk about Vlan and trunking. Actually, it was so hard to understand for me why we use Vlan on the first days of my networking. But after day by day, it was easier to get it seriously. Generally, we are making virtual local area networks on the same switch and making them to communicate. The main reason that we are using VLANs is separating the broadcast traffic. As you know, on a local area network, broadcasts are not forwarded over a router. But if you use VLAN, you don't need a router to eliminate the broadcast traffic as well. You can use VLANs on a same switch and broadcast traffic is not forwarded between that VLANs. Each VLAN has its broadcast traffic. And VLANs also provide isolation for us too, as you know that different VLANs cannot communicate each other without a layer 3 device. For example, if we have a layer 2 switch and that's the first port and that's the fourth port, and if they are in different VLANs, they cannot communicate each other without a layer 3 device, so that it's providing us isolation to it. Benefits of using VLAN provides us easy management by segmenting users and easy error detection, better performance, cost reduction because we have less router need, and enhanced security as well. Let's take a look to the VLAN trunking. Trunking works at layer 2 of OSI reference module and carries multi-VLAN information between the VLANs. Each frame sets the VLAN information and that's known as tagging 2. In the picture we have gig 03, gig 01 and gig 02. Gig 01 and gig 02 are access ports, which means that can carry just one VLAN. And gig 03 is a trunk port, which means that can carry multiple VLAN information.